Hi guys, welcome to Nia's Gist Room. So today I'm going to be doing a morning face routine, like a head to face routine. So when I wake up in the morning, I put dudu osun on my face. Guys, dudu osun has been my face cleanser for some months now, and I have seen a drastic change in my skin. Guys, if you know me way back, you know that my skin is actually glowing compared to before. Yeah, my skin is glowing compared to before, all thanks to do so then I wash my face with water, just normal water. If you want to use warm water, it's fine. If you want to use cold water, it's fine. So Dudu Osun is 400 naira, by the way. Very, very affordable, guys. Just look at my face. After washing my face, I dab my face with towel. Guys, don't use the towel you use to clean your body to clean your face. Like, the face is delicate, so might just get a small towel for your face. Now I apply my cream. I moisturize my face with Nivea. Guys, Nivea has been a soul changer. It has been like a helper to my life, guys. Since I started using Nivea, my face has been looking so good. Like, I can literally go out without makeup. So guys, Nivea is just 2,800. Yep. So I have a breakout in my hair recently because of the hair I did. I just changed my hairstylist and my hair has gone off completely in the front. Then I bought this hair cream, which I just want to try for the first time and see how it goes. So guys, I'm just trying to lay my edges. Like, guys, this baby coils, I don't know how to do it though, but I need to look good. Guys, I'm just tired of wearing wig. I just want to rock my hair, so I just decided to apply some gel on my hair. So that's basically what I do every morning. Sometimes before I even shower. Yes, before I shower, I do this when I wake up. So guys, please don't leave this video without subscribing. Make sure you subscribe and do have a lovely day. Bye.